How to add someone on Snapchat without it saying added by search. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Snapchat application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, if you want to add someone on Snapchat without it saying added by search, tap on this plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. As you do that, here you'll be able to see a list of friends that you can add. Now, if you add over here by just tapping on add, you'll be shown that added by search. But if you do not want that, you simply have to tap on the search bar and search for the name. Now, I'm going to add a particular person over here. So let me just tap on their profile over here and then tap on the profile picture, and here you'll be able to see the add button. So when you add from here, then it will not be shown by added by search. It will be shown as added by your username. And that's how you can add someone on Snapchat without it saying added by search. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.